Hey everybody, so I just got done making the French toast in a mug with my class, periods 1 and 2. I just kind of wanted to film some more stuff today, so this is actually going to be a recipe that I'm going to make today for my son and myself and my family. So we're going to be doing steaks today. I just want to kind of show you guys how I'm marinating them, also like what I put on them, and then the type of cuts that I got from the store. So these are the types of steaks that I'm going to be doing today. These are short rib prime steaks, so you can see how the marbling on them with the fat content and the intermuscular fat. You can see that the fat is actually throughout the whole steak, and that's what kind of brings out the flavor. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to be putting on them, and I'll do that right now. So lately I've been using a combination of these 4 ingredients. So what I'm going to do is put the olive oil and the smoked shoyu in a small bowl. And then what I do is I lather and I put the oil and the shoyu as a base on top of the steaks. And then after, what I do is I put the barbecue rub and the hot barbecue rub on whatever steaks that I want. So I'll go ahead and show you that when we're all done. All right, so now what I have here is a mixture of that olive oil and the shoyu. So now what I'm gonna do is lather the steaks. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and lather this, get a nice coat on. Make sure there's a lot of moisture on there. So all I'm doing is dipping and making sure that these are covered. So I'll do that with all of these, and then I'll come back and show you after what it looks like with the seasonings. All right, perfect. So this is what it looks like with all of the seasonings on it. I would consider this like a wet dry rub, like a mixture of the two, because I put olive oil and then also a dry rub seasoning. So this is how it's gonna look before I smoke it for 1 hour, and I will show you what it looks like after an hour.